Hey everybody, this is Gary, the Fist Pump Guy over at Bondi's Toyota Enterprise, Alabama. Today, we're going to do a how-to video on the new digital rear view mirror available on the 2019 Toyota Rav4. If you've got one, or you're going to get one, you're going to want to stay tuned. This new digital rear view mirror that comes available on the 2019 Toyota Rav4 is actually pretty neat. It gives you the ability to look behind your vehicle without having to put it in reverse or whatever. It uses a separate camera. If you can see the little thing right there in the back glass, for this purpose, simply take this lever, pull it down. It gives you a view of the back. Push it back forward, it goes away. Now what this will do, this will give you the ability to look behind you, even if you're driving forward. Maybe you have a trailer or something like that. That will give you the ability to look behind you. It gives you a pretty good view. Now let's look at some settings that you can change or adjust on this new rear view mirror. All right, so the rear view mirror is on. We're looking out in the back of the vehicle because it's on. You can take this little button here on the end and push it, and it's going to display a few different settings. Now there's a couple arrows. You can go left or right, okay, different arrows. This first one, if you highlight that one, you see how it's highlighted right there? You push this button again, it's like an enter button, and it actually brings this up, okay? So you can go down the line. This one is for the brightness, okay? You could dim and brighten it right there, okay? You use that for the back, then you arrow over. If you wanted to move your screen up and down, you could do that as well. I think that's pretty neat. All right, you go on over and you can actually adjust it left or right. Okay, that's pretty cool. You go to this one, you could actually tilt it one way or the other. I like it straight myself. All right, you go over to the magnifying glass. This one I thought was pretty cool. You could actually zoom in. See that? You could actually zoom in and out. And then there's another one there. I'm not quite sure what that is yet, but I'm learning it. But if you arrow on over, that'll exit you back out, and then you're back at this screen. So that's a quick look at some of the settings on the new digital rear view mirror. Thank you for joining me for another how-to video, how to use the new digital rear view mirror on the 2019 Toyota Rav4. Don't forget to like, comment, share my videos, and if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Follow the Fist Pump Enterprise.